What is 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1 rule for excavations? I'll make a quick overview for this important and interesting question. Rule number 5, 5 feet deep trenches must have a protective system in place. Trenches greater than 4 feet must have a ladder for exit and egress. This is rule number 4. Rule number 3, ladders should extend at least 3 feet from the excavation for easy access and easy exit. Rule number 2, place excavated materials 2 feet away from the edge of the excavation. And the last, rule number 1, for every 1 meter of depth, slope back 0.5 meters. I hope this is a quite interesting and important question. You have got the answer, that is excavation rules 1 to 5. Dear friends and fellows, prior to start any excavation, a safety officer or a competent person must consider various factors including soil classification, depth of the cut, water content of soil, weather or climate driven changes, protective system, surcharge loads, competency of workers, approved drawings and permits, and lastly, all other nearby operations and activities. These are few but very important points. Now we'll go through the excavation safety. But here, let us make a quick generic introduction of excavations. Excavation, the process of digging and removing earth, is an integral part of construction and infrastructure development. It involves a range of activities from digging trenches for utility installation to creating foundations for high-rise buildings. While excavation is important, is essential, is mandatory, it also comes with significant life-threatening risks. And as a safety practitioner, you will never forget these dangers. Remember, this video will provide a comprehensive guide to excavation safety, covering its definition, different types of excavation, protective methods, potential hazards, control measures, accident prevention strategies, and to highlight the importance of safety through motivational quotes. Let us jump and start with the excavation definition. What is excavation? Excavation is the process of removing earth, rock, or other materials from a designated site to create cavities, trenches, or foundations. It's a crucial aspect of various construction projects, enabling the installation of utilities, building foundations, and much more. Do you know OSHA, Occupational Safety and Health Administration, defines an excavation as any man-made cut, cavity, trench or depression in the earth's surface formed by earth removal. But do you know what is trench? A trench is defined as a narrow excavation in relation to its length made below the surface of the ground. In general, the depth of a trench is greater than its width, but the width of a trench measured at the bottom is not greater than 15 feet. In meters, it is 4.6 meter. So this is the basic difference between an excavation and a trench. This is a tricky question, and usually the safety managers, they are asking safety officers when they are applying for jobs and they are undergoing safety job interviews. After understanding what is excavation, let us discuss here few important types of excavation. Number 1, foundation excavation. When constructing a building, a significant excavation is performed to create a sturdy foundation. This ensures the structure's stability and longevity. Number two, trenching for utilities. Excavations are made to bury utility lines such as water pipes, gas lines, sewer lines, or electrical conduits. Trenches provide a protected pathway for these essential utilities or services. Number three, road construction. Excavation is integral to road building. It involves cutting and filling, creating road embankments and cuts to align the road with the natural landscape. Number four, mining operations. In the mining industry, excavation is used to extract valuable minerals, ores, or coal from the earth. Number five, reservoir or pond creation. Excavation is employed to form depressions in the ground that can hold water, serving as reservoirs, ponds, or basins for irrigation or flood control. Number six, landscaping, the most common type of excavation. In the landscaping projects, excavation is utilized to reshape and contour the terrain for functional purposes such as creating ponds, terraces, or garden beds. Number seven, excavations for septic systems. When installing septic tanks and leach fields, excavation is needed to create a suitable underground system for wastewater treatment. Number 8, dredging. In marine settings, dredging involves underwater excavation to deepen channels, create harbors, or recover submerged materials. Number 9, archaeological excavations. Archaeologists excavate historical sites to uncover artifacts, structures, and information about past civilizations. In this training session, I have highlighted the most common and important 9 types of excavations. If someone asks about the different types of excavation as a safety practitioner, after watching this video, you can respond positively, effectively, and successfully. You are on the platform of Safety First Life. And today we are discussing about excavation safety. You can say this video is complete and comprehensive content A to Z about excavations. Now let us start. What are the different protective methods to support and to prevent accidents during the excavation process?